How to convert text to video in Canva. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily convert your text to video in Canva. So first thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for canva.com. So make sure you have already logged into your account, and if you see the option called Magic Canva AI, you can tap on this. But if you cannot see, what you can do is just click on this apps and simply head over to this AI powered apps, and from over here scroll all the way down under the right section of your screen until you see the option called AI apps, which changes for text from video to videos. Or you can also simply search in like this by simply heading over to the search bar and simply searching for text to video, and it will give you all of the options or AI powered apps extensions inside the Canva, which converts your text to videos. So as you can see one over here, you can simply select any one of these just like this and simply click on use a new design or existing design. So I'll just select new design, and once you select that, you should be heading over to this screen where you can simply tap on that particular extension, and you can simply start typing any of the text and simply click on generate video. So as you can see, you only have one of 0 credits. That means you have to buy a credit, so make sure you have enough credit before doing that. Or you can also use this magic media option. So when you use this magic media, you can simply head over to video section, and as you can see, currently it's not available. This feature is not available in my region or country, so make sure it's available in your country or as well. And once you do that, once it's available in your country, you can simply type in the prompt over here and simply click on generate to start generating videos. Always make sure that you will have limited generate option if you are using free version of Canva. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.